Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a first impressions shave video. But first, I have to wet my face. It is Thursday, and it is getting late in the evening. Yesterday I had a little mail call, and I was busy today. Had to go to the doctor's office. But anyway, I'm doing a first impressions video and a shave. Now, I want to say thank you to Andy over at the Wetshaving Store. I will put a link below to his website. And I want to say thank you to Jerry. He has a nice drama-free Facebook shaving group, so I'll put a little link there. So this particular soap is made by Ginger's Garden, and this is a Shave Dad exclusive soap, and this is Royal Pine, and this was sent to me for free for a review, an honest review. And I want to let you guys know that Andy did tell me, you know, he knows the drill, that I will say whatever I think or feel about something. And so he just said, do an honest review. If you don't like it, say you don't like it, whatever. So he trusted me enough to send this to me early. If you guys have seen this out, it's going to be released tomorrow, which will be Friday. Take a look at it. So this soap, let me tell you, it's very interesting. I like the fact that it has a screw top, but it also has a pop top. So you can pop the top open. I have never used Ginger's Garden before, but this soap it's pretty firm. And the scent on this, imagine walking into a forest middle of the spring just in the evening time, and you close your eyes as the heat kind of drops that scent down. You're going to definitely pick up a fir scent, a pine scent, and also a hint of cedar. Now, if you were going out there in the fall, you may sneak in a little bit of mistletoe scent. It's a very pleasant scent. It may not be for everyone, but you know, the scent profile on it, it's on the website. And if you can imagine pine, that's what it's going to be. The scent strength on it is medium to high. And whenever I lathered this up, man, did that soap explode. At first I thought it's going to take a lot of water. But after I got to lathering it a little bit, it came to life. And I'm using this beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush, and there it is. I figured this beautiful classic red kind of matched with the soap. So let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 1. And I have this in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I did add a little bit of hot water, so the lather is nice and warm. It feels great going on the skin. I don't know, I didn't memorize or really look at the soap ingredients, so forgive me on that. I'm sure it says it on the website, and I'm terrible at pronouncing some of the names. And if you can tell, I'm fighting off a little bit of sinus and bronchitis stuff, so my voice is not quite there. I'm going to be using the Vector by Blackland, and this is the stainless steel with the open comb. Now, I usually use the Feather Professional or the Feather Pro Guard, but today I'm using the I can't think. It is the Feather Professional Super. And I went through and did a bunch of testing, and I actually prefer this blade a little bit more than the Pro Guard. And the original Pro that everybody says they love, I've got probably, I don't even want to say 5, 6, 10 boxes of those, and I really don't like those. I think they're a little bit harsher, but that is not what the video is about. I just kind of wanted to do a quick shave, and I love this razor. I know it shaves well. And I don't want to talk too much because of my voice. It's cracking and popping. But anyway, let's go ahead and get ready for pass number 1. This blade is definitely, I feel like it's very smooth and very sharp. And it is definitely knocking that hair down. I have 2 days worth of growth. No issue there. The soap is very nice. There's not a lot of residual slickness in it, but when it's on your face, it is very, very slick. So I will have to say that. And you know, when you're using something for the first time, you can't really make a concrete or set in stone decision on it, or what am I thinking here? Not decision, but you know what I'm saying. Trying to think what I'm saying. I don't want to form an opinion too quickly on the first shave with a new product. And a lot of times, unless it's a Will It Shave Wednesday video where I haven't ever used something, I will on that, but I'm usually trying something crazy or comparing blades, and so I can do that. I did take a look around at some of the other scent profiles for Ginger's Garden, and they have a lot of nice scents. I may look into picking some up. So if you're somebody that doesn't like a whole lot of skin food, and I'll just say this because this is my experience, if I get something, like my face is not really oily, I would say it's about average. But if you have skin that is oily or you're prone to problems, I think sometimes the extra skin food will, you know, kind of stick on the face and go into the pores and create more issues, you know. And so I'm not real big on the skin food, extra skin food. Nice. Just throwing that out there. That thing's huge, ain't it? Just takes a lot of real estate with each swipe. And I love the open comb. I really wish they would make the titanium open comb because it's a little bit lighter and it feels a little bit smoother when you're running the metal across your skin. And I have my phone on airplane mode, so Jerry can't call me for the 6th time today. Maybe it's not really, you know, sinuses. Maybe I've just been talking to Jerry too much. All right, let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. I did remember it this time. No running up and down the stairs for me. All right. Feels so nice. And Andy did send me the matching splash to go along with it. And I do look forward to trying this out. The bottle is unique. It has a little flip top, so you don't have to open it. And I will shake it a little bit. This is alcohol based, and I don't see any menthol in there. So let's go ahead and add a little bit in there. All right. I will say the splash is a little thicker. You can tell it's not 100% alcohol and witch hazel. I think there is some glycerin in there and some aloe. So, I mean, it's kind of sticky. So you really probably don't need any star jelly. I need some star jelly. Yeah, so that's actually kind of thick. So, you know, you may not need that. The scent on this is it's nice and in your face. I will tell you that much. I probably used a little bit too much of the splash because I wasn't expecting it to be that way. And you can see my face is a little shiny, so that's probably the glycerin and the aloe. So I'll wait a little bit before I wipe any excess off, just so that it gives time for my skin to soak any of that in. And like I said, this scent may not be for everyone, but it is something that would fall into my I could wear it category. And I don't know the staying power. It may last for a really long time. It may not. And this will be a surprise to Mama because she doesn't even know that I'm doing this. So, all right. Well, thank you again, Andy, for sending that to me. What a fun experience with this shave. I had no issues with it. And like I said, if you guys want to purchase this, I have no affiliate links or anything like that. Except I need a throat lozenge. But yeah, I'm not making any money. No one's paid me to do a review on this. It was just something that Andy wanted me to do, and I was happy to do it for him. And if you guys are not a member of Shave Dad, go check out the Shave group if you're on Facebook and you like to look at all the other people's shave of the days. All right, well, I'm going to have to go get me a Ricola and call it a night. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you on the next shave. You have a great rest of your day.